Hi, this is Dr. Jun Reyes, your New York-based physical therapist. Maganda ang topic natin ngayon. Bakit ba humihina ang tuhod as we get older? At sa video na ito, matutunan natin ano ba ang mga tamang exercises sa mga pasyenteng may osteoarthritis of the knees, ano ba yung mga medical misinformation noon na ginagawa pa rin natin ngayon. So, article na ito, it's actually from Arthritis Foundation, benefits of exercise for osteoarthritis. Maganda siyang basahin. According dito sa article na to, exercise, moderate exercise, importante ito sa mga pasyenteng may osteoarthritis of the knees para hindi lumala at para hindi sumakit or ma-alleviate ang pain and strengthen the muscles around it. That's actually gonna decrease the pain. And also, sa Arthritis Foundation, may articles or research din silang diniscuss doon or pinakita na ang continue moving, continue exercising. Kasi yung mga medical misinformation noon or medical myths noon ay sinasabing if you have osteoarthritis, stop running, stop exercising kasi lalala siya. So wala pa talagang proven na research na ginawa na yan. Ano ba yung dahilan kung bakit humihina at sumasakit ang tuhod? Hindi siya dahil may osteoarthritis ang pasyente. Kaya humihina at sumasakit ang tuhod, hindi siya dahil old age, hindi siya dahil tumatanda. Sumasakit ang tuhod o humihina dahil sa ginagawa natin. So, again, doon sa medical misinformation na yun noon na stop exercising. So, imagine pagka sinabi sa ating lolo at lola, sa ating mga seniors, oh, don't do walking, don't do exercising, i-rest nyo lang yung tuhod nyo. Do you know that after 3 weeks of not exercising, you actually start yung weakness or muscle atrophy? Even for a week without exercising, mapapansin nyo na yung weakness ng ating knees. But if you don't move it, magkakaroon ng stiffness at nagkakaroon ng muscle weakness. Now, kaya sumasakit siya lalo kasi you have tightness, you have stiffness, and then weakness of the knee. Nagiging process siya, nagiging routine na. So if you stop moving it, you're gonna have limitation of motion, muscle weakness sa knees. Ayan ang problema sa ating mga seniors. Dito sa research na nabasa ko, the benefits of exercise for osteoarthritis, sinabi dito sa research na ito, pagka ikaw na-diagnose ng osteoarthritis, don't stop moving. Madaming mga seniors na they just take medication, they get injection, they just ice it, they just rest. Hindi yon. Sabi dito sa article na ito, yung exercise and weight loss or diet or decrease weight and exercise, yun yung nakakatulong na mapagaling ang knee pain. So you just keep on moving. Kasi alam nyo, ang kalaban natin is if you don't use it, yung muscle wasting, you lose it. So wag nating susundin yung mga medical misinformation noon or yung medical myths na yon. So ngayon, just study, research, do your research. Madaming research na pinatunayan na even running, fast walking is actually beneficial sa ating tuhod. Bakit? Because if you strengthen the muscles around your knees, yan yung makakatulong na mag-alleviate ng pain. Yan yung mag-stabilize ng ating knee joint. Kahit na may osteoarthritis ka, continue moving it. Kasi the more you move it, yung increase ng synovial fluid, makakatulong yan mag-alleviate ng pain. So nasagot na natin yung medical myth na yan, huwag nating susundin na rest, ice, and then rest, ice, medication, and injection. Huwag tayo masanay sa ganon. So we just combine it with healthy diet and exercise. If you can start with just walking, start with that walking. Kung tumatakbo ka naman, continue with your running, but in moderation, maging yung common sense na pag sumakit, just do less. If you can do 2 miles, You can go down to 1.5 miles, and and then as you get better, you can increase it again to 3 miles, and then you start from there. With exercise, you can continue with low impact exercise first. Start with bicycling or aerobic exercise, yung mga simpleng mga exercises. Pero ang idea dito, wag titigil igalaw ang joints. The more you move it, the better it gets better faster. Okay, so ano ba yung mga exercises na pwede natin gawin? For example, sumasakit na yung tuhod mo. Start with the basic. Kailangan mo lang igalaw yung joint. So if this one, you can do hip flexion. You can do 10 repetitions like that. Okay, so tighten your stomach. Get that hip flexion in sitting. And then add some extension. If your range of motion hanggang dito lang, okay lang siya. So fatigue the muscles, your quadriceps. Do that 10 repetitions. It's normal na magkaroon ng soreness, no? It's normal. If you can only do, start with Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So 3 times a week. So maigi na mag-rest tayo the following day. Kasi kung nag-start pa lang tayo, sobrang sakit yung knees. Start with a gentle exercise. And then space mo yung exercises mo. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Or you can do Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Alright? And then add some walking or stationary bicycle or swimming. Those are great exercises. Okay? So that knee extension, you do that 10 repetitions to 3 sets of 10. Okay? So, number 2 exercise. You can also do sit to stand. So mga beginners, mga seniors na lagi lang nakaupo, these are the basic exercises. And make sure na listen to your body. Huwag masyadong agresibo kasi that will discourage you from exercising lalo. So you start with the very basic, and then if you can just do Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday with those exercises, and then Saturday maybe do some walking, fast walking. If you're used to running, you can start running too. Just start. If you have severe osteoarthritis, common sense lang, don't start aggressively. All right? Okay. Exercise, we can do sit to stand. So you can use your hands. Kung mahirap sa inyo, you just do that. Kung maganda pa yung muscle strength nyo dito, hindi nyo na kailangan yung hands dito, you can put your hands right here and then just stand straight. So you can do this for 10 repetitions. Alright, just keep your knees moving. Kaya nga sabi ko, if you stop moving it, you're gonna have limitation of motion, manghihina ito. So one more time, sit to stand, just like that. Okay, sit to stand. 10 repetitions. Next step is squats. Alright, so when you're doing squats, don't do this. Make sure yung knees mo, you can still see your toes. Alright, so don't do this movement. Make sure you do this. Okay, stick your butt out, and then chair will be the target. So you can do that, and then back. Okay, and then you can do 10 repetitions right here. Now one more time. All right. This is a very difficult exercise, especially for beginners. So you can start with sit to stand. The advanced workout would be the squats. You can also do partial squats. All right. So huwag din natin kakalimutan, it's using your glutes muscles. Minsan ang problema sa mga pasyenteng may osteoarthritis of the knees, they're walking like this. So try to bend your knees right here. You gotta feel it in your hamstring, hindi lang yung quadriceps, but also work on your hamstrings, okay? So using the chair, all right? Just make sure you keep it moving. Alam ko, it's mahirap. Alam ko, mahirap itong gawin, especially dun sa mga may osteoarthritis na, and then if they have limited range of motion. So just keep learning, keep moving. I-follow nyo lang itong video na ito, okay? So you can do not just the quadriceps, but also work on your hamstrings, alright? So if you can do this, stand straight, keep your spine neutral, bend as much as you can. If you can go all the way this way, keep doing that, okay? So exactly show this on camera right here. So start and so you can actually feel it. Make sure you feel that hamstring contraction right here. And again, if you can only do this range of motion, okay lang yan. You don't have to do this every day. You can do Tuesday, Thursday, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And try to fatigue the muscles. If you can start with 10 repetitions, that's fine. 10 repetitions and then you alternate. Okay? And then contract that hamstring. Another one is use your glutes muscles. Alright? Strengthen your glutes muscles. You can do extension, tighten your glutes, make your spine in neutral position, and then back. Neutral position, tighten your glutes muscles, alright? That's another great exercise. Last one, you want to strengthen your calf muscles right here. So you can do heel raises and then toe raises. So you can start doing heel raises. This is actually a pain relieving exercise. It's an easy exercise, and this is going to help strengthen the muscles of the ankle muscles and your knee muscles, alright? That responsible for the movements of your knees too. Not just the ankles, but also for the knees. Right here. And then you can do this for 10 repetitions, up and down. Right here, just like that. And you can start with 10 repetitions and then do this for 3 sets of 10. Okay, there you have it. Yan yung mga exercises na pwede nyong gawin. If sa tingin nyo, nakatulong itong video na ito at hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please like and subscribe and share na rin itong video na ito. Alright, take care. Sana may natutunan kayo.